We live in an era where starting a business no longer depends on owning a massive factory or making million-dollar investments. Today, the real opportunity lies in small, automatic, and profitable machines, the kind you can keep at home and turn into the launchpad for your financial independence. From equipment that produces food, eco-friendly packaging, or personalized products to technologies capable of laser welding or preserving food for years, the world of tech-powered micro-businesses is changing how people generate income. In this video, you'll discover 8 machines that don't just produce, they multiply your possibilities, turning creativity, innovation, and sustainability into real profits. Each one is an open door to a different business with the potential to grow locally, nationally, and even internationally. Get ready, because what you're about to see are not simple tools. These are the machines creating the entrepreneurs of the future. Machine number 1, U-staple making machine. U-shaped wire staples are small parts, but absolutely essential across multiple industrial sectors. Behind them is a compact, efficient, and surprisingly profitable machine. It turns simple wire coils into thousands of finished units ready to sell. Watching it in action is almost hypnotic. The wire feeds into the system, is straightened, cut into exact segments, bent with millimetric precision, and within seconds, hundreds of perfect staples emerge, ready to be packed. This machine turns metal into steady money. Despite its small size, it's powerful. Its design allows continuous production of hundreds of staples per minute without requiring a large space or prior experience. That makes it an excellent option to start from home with an accessible investment and a product that reliably sells. Where's the business? U-staples are consumables with permanent demand. They're used in carpentry, upholstery, light construction, agriculture, and electrical installations. They're purchased by the kilo, ensuring a constant flow of customers, hardware stores, construction companies, upholsterers, and regional distributors. The initial investment ranges between $5,000 and $8,000, depending on production capacity. Raw material costs are minimal, since a wire coil becomes thousands of units ready for the market. Thanks to its low operating cost and high demand, you can recover your investment quickly and generate solid income month after month. This is one of those discreet but powerful machines, compact, precise, and designed for anyone seeking a profitable, steady, and easy-to-operate business. Machine number 2, wire hanger making machine. Few things symbolize industrial transformation as well as this machine. It takes a simple wire coil and in seconds turns it into a perfectly shaped hanger. The process is so fast and precise that watching it work is almost hypnotic. The wire feeds straight into the system, is stretched, bent, and the machine forms the top hook in a single continuous cycle. Some advanced models even include a paper or plastic coating system, improving the final presentation and allowing you to sell at a higher price. The result is a professional uniform hanger ready to use, ideal for dry cleaners, clothing stores, hotels, and distributors. And the best part? Demand for hangers never stops. They're everyday items with constant replenishment and a stable customer base all year round. The initial investment to import a machine of this kind from China is roughly between $3,500 and, depending on its production capacity and whether it includes the coating system, each hanger has an approximate manufacturing cost of 5 to 8 cents, while wholesale prices usually range from 20 to 30 cents. This means that by producing about 500 hangers a day, monthly income can exceed $2,000. And if you scale production to 1,000 units daily, profits can easily surpass $4,500 per month. The business is simple and scalable. You can start from home, supply local dry cleaners and shops, or sell by the dozen in hardware stores. This machine doesn't just shape wire, it shapes a steady income stream. Compact, precise, and reliable, the wire hanger machine is one of the most stable and profitable investments for anyone looking to start with high turnover, low-cost products. Machine number 3, thread rolling machine for making screws. Few things are as essential to the modern world as screws. They're in every piece of furniture, vehicle, structure, and device we use daily. And behind that tiny part is a machine that transforms metal with surgical precision, the thread rolling machine. The process is mesmerizing. A cut wire blank is placed between 2 grooved rollers that, under controlled pressure, imprint a perfect thread in seconds. What was once a simple metal rod becomes a screw ready to assemble, sell, and use. A machine that literally turns steel into income. The appeal of this business lies in constant demand. Screws are used in construction, carpentry, automotive work, furniture assembly, home appliances, and hundreds of other sectors. That makes this one of the safest machines for those who want to start from home or set up a small industrial workshop with a product that never stops selling. As for investment, a thread rolling machine can be imported from China for prices ranging from $1 to $4,000, depending on the model and production capacity. The unit cost is very low, just a few cents, while screws are sold by the box or kilo with margins that double or triple the raw material cost. If you produce 10,000 screws per month with a profit of just 5 cents per unit, your earnings would be around $500 monthly. Scale production to 50,000 pieces, and income can easily exceed $2,500 per month. Compact, efficient, and durable, the thread rolling machine doesn't just make screws, it builds financial stability. It's an ideal investment for those seeking low risk, high returns, and a product with permanent demand. Machine number 4. Metal chain making machine. Within the world of small profitable machines, few are as hypnotic and productive as the metal chain making machine. Watching it in action is almost hypnotic. The wire feeds into the system, is bent, cut, welded, and in seconds becomes a perfectly formed chain ready for the market. A machine that literally turns metal into steady money. The process is fully automatic. Wire is unspooled from the reel, passes through a bending and cutting system that forms each link, and a welding mechanism ensures a strong, durable closure. This enables continuous production of meters and meters of chain, making it an excellent option for setting up a profitable workshop at home. The business potential is enormous. Metal chains have a huge market. Construction, agriculture, automotive, workshops, industrial safety, and even decorative items. There's always demand, which guarantees a constant flow of sales. The initial investment to import this machine from China ranges between $2,200 and $6,000, depending on the model and production capacity. Raw material cost is low. With 1 kilogram of wire, you can produce several meters of chain, later sold to hardware stores or distributors at prices that double or triple material cost. Let's talk profits. If you produce and sell 100 meters of chain per day with a margin of at least $1 per meter, you'd be generating $100 daily. That's around $3,000 per month working from home. And if you secure contracts with hardware stores, construction companies, or wholesalers, those numbers can grow exponentially. Compact, automated, and with demand that never stops, this machine doesn't just make chains. It creates stability, growth, and financial freedom for those willing to invest in it. Machine number 5. Press for personalized license plates. Among the most creative and profitable business ideas is one that blends industrial precision with huge artistic potential. A press for making customized license plates. This machine transforms a simple aluminum sheet into a raised relief plate with letters, numbers, or logos, creating unique pieces that can range from license plates for classic cars to decorative signs for a garage or exclusive gifts. What's fascinating is that this technology used to be reserved for specialized shops, but today you can have it at home and turn it into a profitable business with a personal touch. It's very simple to use. You place the metal sheet, choose the design or typeface, and the press, mechanical or hydraulic, applies pressure to create the relief. Afterwards, you can apply paint or vinyl for a professional finish. The market is broader than you might think. Beyond automotive uses, there's high demand in tourism souvenirs, decor, personalized gifts, and themed events. A basic press costs around $4,000, while professional models with engraving or automation options can exceed $7,000. Profitability is where this machine shines. A personalized plate can sell for $20 to $50, depending on design and materials. If you produce and sell just 10 units a day, that's $200 to $500 daily, or more than per month, working from home. But the real potential lies in personalization. A plate with a name, date, or exclusive design carries a high emotional value, allowing you to sell not just a product, but a story. You can also boost your business online, build a digital catalog, use social media, and offer national or international shipping. In short, a personalized license plate press is not just a machine, it's a factory of creativity, identity, and profitability. Perfect for those seeking to start from home with a moderate investment, a growing market, and a product that never goes out of style. Machine number 6. Automatic liquid filling machine. Among all profitable business ideas, few offer as much versatility as an automatic liquid filler, a tool capable of turning your kitchen or workshop into a professional production line. This equipment lets you package everything from beverages and oils to cosmetics, cleaners, or gourmet sauces. An intelligent investment for anyone wanting to start from home with low risk and high profitability. Its operation combines industrial precision and speed. The automatic dosing system controls the exact volume in each container, avoiding waste and ensuring a uniform presentation. In minutes, you can fill hundreds of bottles or jars, what once took hours of manual work. It's literally a machine that multiplies your time and your profits. The initial investment ranges from $1,000 to $2,000, depending on the model and capacity. And the profit margins are very attractive. For example, producing a bottle of artisanal juice might cost around $, while its selling price ranges between $1 and $2. If you fill and sell 500 bottles a day, you can generate more than $500 in daily profit, or about $6,000 monthly, with consistent operation. But the true potential lies in its adaptability. Today you can launch a line of natural juices. Tomorrow, produce essential oils or eco-friendly detergents. This equipment lets you move between industries with ease, responding to real shifting consumer trends. Plus, with an attractive label design and online sales strategies, you can build your own brand and scale locally or even nationally. In summary, the automatic liquid filling machine doesn't just fill bottles. It fills your path with opportunities. It offers a quick return on investment, ideal for those who want to start profitably from home and expand step by step toward professional level production. A small investment that can open doors to multiple markets and turn your ideas into steady income. Machine number 7, freeze dryer. Now we enter a field that feels straight out of the future, the freeze dryer. This technology, once reserved for large laboratories and premium food companies, is now within reach of small entrepreneurs who want to build a profitable home business with products of very high added value. Freeze drying is an advanced process that freezes foods and removes their water under vacuum, preserving texture, flavor, and up to 95% of their nutrients. The result is light, long-lasting, gourmet-quality products. Imagine offering crunchy fruits, natural snacks, premium soups, or ingredients for the pharmaceutical industry, all from a small space. This is one of those profitable machines that not only generates money, but lets you enter a booming sector, healthy foods. Today's consumers want natural products, free of preservatives and easy to store, making this investment a strategic opportunity. A basic freeze dryer ranges around $5 to $2,500, depending on capacity and brand. It may seem like a considerable investment, but the payback can be surprisingly quick. A tray of freeze-dried strawberries that cost just a few dollars can easily sell for $15 to $20 USD. And if you focus on products like specialty coffees, exotic spices, or medicinal herbs, profit margins multiply. With steady production and a smart sales strategy, it's possible to generate more than $5,000 per month, even working from home. The most powerful part of this machine isn't just its profitability, it's the ability to open doors to premium and export markets. You can start with small batches, perfect your process, and scale your brand to a professional level. Selling online, supplying organic stores, or creating your own line of healthy products are just some of the possible routes. In short, the freeze dryer is not just industrial equipment, it's a tool for financial independence, a bridge between innovation, health, and profitability. And if preserving food with advanced technology sounds fascinating, wait until you see how the next machine can mass-produce some of the world's favorite snacks with a minimal investment. Machine number 8, laser welding. Imagine having at home a technology so powerful that major industries depend on it. The laser welding machine represents a revolution for anyone seeking a future-oriented, profitable home business. Unlike traditional methods, this machine uses a high-precision laser beam capable of joining metals with perfect finishes, strong joints, and details so fine they were once limited to specialized workshops. This is one of those profitable machines that generate steady income, thanks to its versatility. You can use it for custom jewelry, automotive repairs, decorative items, or high-value industrial components. You don't need a huge workshop, just a small space in your garage can become the heart of a profitable mini-factory. The cost of a laser welding machine ranges between $600 and $1,200 USD, depending on power and brand. Although the initial investment may seem moderate, the opportunities are enormous. A repair job can be charged at $20 to $50 while custom pieces, such as engraved rings or exclusive designs, can command much higher prices. With just 3 or 4 jobs a day, you can exceed dollars per month working from home, with total flexibility and control over your time. Its greatest advantage is customization. Today's consumers want unique products and tailored solutions, and this technology lets you offer both, quickly, precisely, and with professional quality. From mechanics and jewelers to companies requiring industrial engravings, all of them can become your clients. In short, this machine turns creativity into real income. You can start with small projects and scale into specialized services, expanding your portfolio with every new commission. The laser welder is not just a machine, it's a tool for economic independence, ideal for those who want to start at home and grow with modern technology. As you can see, opportunities are within your reach. You don't need a large company to begin, just a clear idea, an efficient machine, and the decision to take the first step. From the paper plate machine that bets on sustainability, to the laser welder opening doors to industrial precision, all of these options share something in common. They turn knowledge and creativity into real income. Each of these tools represents a different way to start a business, but they all share the same essence. They let you build a profitable, scalable, future-ready operation from home. The change isn't in the economy, it's in the mindset. And if you're looking to earn money with purpose, these machines don't just produce products, they produce freedom. Because in today's world, the real factory of success is in your hands.